Hi everyone, it's Ricky from Mount Gambier Library. Hoping everyone's doing well. Today we're going to do a tutorial on another one of the library's resources, which is called lynda.com. So lynda.com is a site where you can access online learning at any stage with just about anything you could think of. So let's see how we go. So the very first thing we need to do is go to the Mount Gambier Library website, which is www.mountgambier.sa.gov.au/library. And you'll see the homepage as I've got up here now. So you will need a library membership for this, so if you don't have that, you can use the join here option at the left hand side. And now we're just going to scroll down the page, and at the very bottom on the left hand side you'll see the yellow lynda.com button. Okay, once we click on that button, it'll take us to the logging in portal. So it will ask for our library card number, so that would probably start with an X unless you've just joined up today as a temporary user using the join now button, which we just discussed. So we're just typing the library barcode number and then the PIN. If you're unsure of your PIN, just let the library know and we'll be happy to reset it for you. Okay, so once you've logged in successfully, you will see a screen which will look similar to what I have here. So because I've been in here before, on the left hand side there you'll see the continue to watch, so it's the lessons I've already been doing. If this is the first time you're using it, you won't have that. So what we're going to do now is, up at the very top there, I'm just going to type in whatever I'm looking for. So I'm just going to type in Microsoft Excel. So that there's so many lessons on here, so that could be any number of computer programs or anything at all. But for this, I'm just going to type in Microsoft Excel. So once I've searched for Excel, I will see a whole list of different lessons to do with Excel. So the one I'm going to choose is the Excel Essential Training Office 365. So I'm just going to click on that one. So when that loads, you'll see on the left hand side there, I'll have the different chapters or the different parts of the lesson. I'll also have my little play button if I want to play the video. You also see some options down the bottom there. Overview will just give you a bit of an overview of the course. The transcript will just transcribe the video. View offline, so they'll allow you to download the video and the content to watch when you don't have access to the internet. Exercise files, so anything that you see in the video, you can download a copy of that and work along with the person conducting the lesson. And of course the FAQs. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press the play button to view the lesson. So the great thing is as well is that when you come back tomorrow or another time, your lessons will pick up from where they left off. So you have a history of what you've seen. So now we just did the lesson at our own pace. So when I chose my lesson, I just used a search bar at the top there to type in what I'm looking for. Alternatively, what you could do is you could just hover over the library button up the very top towards the right there. And once you hover over there, you'll see some of the categories that the lessons fall into. So there's a great deal of things there, of business and developer, IT, photography, video, pretty much anything you can think of will have lessons on there. So they're all free to you as a Mount Gambier Library member. You can also access more of your profile at the top right there. You can see if you hover over that, you'll have things like your playlist. So you can add lessons to your playlist to study later, your history, certificates from any other course you completed, and so on. So hopefully this resource will help you learn whilst you're at home. There's a huge range of things to learn. Perhaps it'll help you to teach others. But just like anything else, if you've got any questions or have any problems at all, please don't hesitate to contact the library. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for further tutorials.